In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in NUGT territory. We're at oversold levels with RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in NUGT. We did see it diverge, and we're slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we see the same action, NUGT, and approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.25, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.10. My stop loss is at $19.91. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $21.27, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.59, and my stop loss is at $21.63. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 2.5%, a 33% chance to climb between 2.5 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.